How to fix the issue with Dollar General app not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Dollar General app not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now, the very first method is to go to Google Play Store and in the search bar type Dollar General application. After that, once you enter the name of the application, in the results you will see the application. Now, if you see the option of update, do update the application. After that, you're supposed to tap and hold on the icon of the Dollar General application and go to the settings. Then after, go to the storage and choose the option of clear cache. And that's it. Just by following this easy step, you will be able to fix the issue with the application not working issue. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Dollar General app not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.